We're going to talk about the top 3 reasons why you need to crush your mortgage. Coming up.
Stay tuned.
Welcome back to an all-new edition of the Sunday Night Sit Down with America's #1 money couple. I'm Talib.
And I'm Ty, and we're from hisandhermoney.com, where we're managing money, marriage, and everything in between. Well, guys, it's been 1 month.
Yep.
Since we actually crushed our mortgage, and the feeling is amazing.
Almost indescribable.
Oh, it is indescribable. There's like no words. So if you guys have not checked out our video, we actually shot real live footage of us in the bank when we made our last mortgage payment. We paid off $330,000 in just 5 years.
Wow.
Yes, and we have all the details. Just check the description box below and you can check out that video. We made it a fancy affair. We had our children involved and stuff like that. But guys, this feeling feels amazing. Like 30 days in, what would you say has been, I don't know if there's really one thing that we can say, but what has been a highlight of yours?
I don't know, just the feeling that we are owners of this home. We're not just home owners. That keeps playing around in my head, like, because who does that?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, this isn't typical, this isn't normal, but we're trying to change that narrative.
Sure.
We want this to be typical.
Absolutely.
We want this to be normal because we love the way that this feels.
Oh my God.
We love the fact that when we pull up to our home, we keep telling each other, welcome to your paid off house.
Yeah.
And we don't want that to just be us.
I know.
Man, we want
Absolutely.
as many people, as many households to feel this feeling as possible.
Yeah.
Because it really is a freeing feeling.
Man, it's indescribable. Like, we're 30 days in, and every day I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like there's another level of joy and excitement all over again. Every time when I wake up, it's almost like I'm experiencing it all over again. The feeling has been amazing to be able to walk throughout my home, and now I'm at the stage where I'm really kind of decorating a little bit more, and just I'm falling in love with our home all over again. Like, I love our home, and I loved it for the 5 years that we've been living in it. But now it's almost like I really, really love you. Like, oh my gosh, like, I don't want to part with you type of love. You know what I mean? Yeah. And guys, I'm being sarcastic here, but I really am for real when I say I love my home. And I'm just so grateful to God that we were able to do this in just 5 years. And so we want to take you guys with us as well too. And we wanted to share 3 reasons on why you should be crushing your mortgage as well. Now guys, if you all need help, we created a phenomenal course called Crush My Mortgage. If you go to crushmymortgage.com, you can get full details there. Also, make sure that you'll check the description box below. We have a special offer there as well as links. But guys, we have students over there that's already crushing their mortgage. And I mean, the feeling is amazing. It's amazing. So we want you to join us as well.
Listen, we don't want you guys looking at us like a unicorn, like we have this amazing superpower to pay off a mortgage and that you don't have that ability, because the truth is, you do. That's why we continue to bring you content to continue to change your paradigm to help you think differently about your money and about your debt. So that's why we're going to give you 3 reasons right here, right now, why you need to crush your mortgage.
Now guys, there are going to be a lot of reasons outside of the 3 reasons, but we just wanted to kind of give you guys something to think about. There's numerous reasons. I know that we've heard on the other spectrum where people say, oh, it's not a good idea to pay off your home.
Child, please.
Well, you all, let me tell you, we are happy that we did it, and we're trying to tell as many people as possible. So we just want to share 3 things with you that maybe you have never considered.
Listen, let's start from the beginning. Let's take a trip back in time. Let's look at the origin of the word mortgage. Did you know that the word mortgage, the etymology, which means the origin of the word,
get all deep.
Listen, is death pledge. I'm going to say that one more time. The word mortgage has an origin that means death pledge. If you break apart the word mortgage, you have the first half of the word mort, M-O-R-T, which stands for death. And then you have G-A-G-E, gauge, which stands for pledge. Put that together and wow. The word mortgage means death pledge. In its origin, it was given as though it was a lifelong deal. The only way you was out of it was after you passed away and the child picked up the inheritance and it was transferred to the child or the heir. So you need to look at things a little bit differently, because a lot of you may think that, man, everybody has a mortgage.
Yeah.
That's the American dream. You're supposed to save your money, work hard, put down a down payment, and get a house with a white picket fence and 2-car garage and a mortgage. Whoa. You're supposed to be tied down for 30 years of payments to the banks. It's not feeling like a dream to me. That's feeling like a nightmare when I think about the fact of 360 payments over 30 years going to a bank just so I could live the American dream. No. Let's get out of these death pledges. Let's get rid of these mortgages. The reason, number one, why you need to get this mortgage crushed is because it's meant to be a death pledge. The second reason that you need to be crushing your mortgage is because the banking industry knows you better than you think they do. They understand your buying habits, your spending habits, and they understand how to get your money up out your bank account. And they spend billions of dollars to market toward your needs, your spending habits, and the ways in which you like to spend your money. And they're very good at what they do. And they're so good at it that you don't even realize it's happening, because their marketing is so good that you think that you are doing the right thing and being smart with your money. That's how they get you. Let's look at the typical household situation. The typical American family lives in a home worth $250,000 with a 30-year mortgage. On average, they live in the home for 9 years, because the average homeowner moves within the first 7 to 9 years. So if we know that the average homeowner moves in 7 to 9 years, they know that the average homeowner moves in 7 to 9 years. And because they know this, they slant the payments in their favor. If you look at your amortization schedule, you will see that over the first 7 to 9 years, no coincidence, you pay mostly interest. And in the same scenario, after 9 years of mortgage payments, 50% of the interest has been paid. And keep in mind, interest payments are the part of your payment that goes to the banks to continue to fund them. But less than 20% of the principal has been repaid. The principal is the part that builds equity, thus builds wealth. So, you get a nice house, you live there for 9 years, and you decide it's time to get a new house. It's time to upgrade. Let's move to our forever home.
They know
Sound
that you
familiar?
get the itch, you know?
And they are happy to oblige you. You know why? Because you're going to sell that home after you have paid most of the interest to the bank. And then what are you going to do? You're going to buy another house, and you're going to sign up for 360 more payments, most of which are interest yet again, making the banks wealthy even the more. So reason number 2 that you need to crush your mortgage is because they know your habits when it comes to your money, and they are strategizing to get that money away from you.
Yes. Reason number 3 is so you can have more power over your dollars. Your mortgage payment is probably your highest debt payment that you pay every single month. It probably tops your student loans, credit card debt, car loan debt. If you have any of those, it's probably going to be your highest. Just imagine what can you do with that money that you no longer have to send to the bank. You know, guys, we're living in this, it felt like a dream at first, but we're living, this is our reality. And now that we don't have to send our money to the bank, now we're having discussions and we're dreaming about, okay, what's our next step? We are going to be sharing with you guys what we will be doing next, but it's really exciting just to say, hey, we don't have to budget that money in every single month now to go towards a mortgage. We have the power to choose what we want to do. I mean, if we want to invest more, if we want to give more, whatever it is, we get to choose. Wouldn't that feel amazing? Just stop and think and imagine. It would feel really, really good. And guys, 30 days in, it feels amazing. So that's reason number 3. So you can have control, you can have power over your own money. You no longer have to send it to someone else, and you can own your home outright.
Well, those are the top 3 reasons. We hope that you take them to heart. We hope that it motivates you. We hope that it moves you to the place of action. We don't want you to just hear what we're telling you. We don't want you to look at Tyler and Ty like they did it, but I can't. No. This is the reason His and Her Money is here. The reason we did it the way we did it and brought you along on the journey is so that you can know that you can do it too.
Well, guys, we would love to have you come with us. We don't want to be on this side alone. We would love to have you join us. We already have students already in the class, in the course. It's lifetime membership. If you need full details, just go to crushmymortgage.com. We will also have all of the links in the description box below. We would love to have you join us.
We want to hear from you. We gave you 3 reasons why we feel that you should crush your mortgage. What's your number one reason? Think about it. You need a why. What's your number one reason why you feel that you need to crush your mortgage? Leave a comment in the comment section below.
Guys, if you all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, share it with a friend or family member and subscribe to our channel if you have not already done so. We would love to have you be a part of this big old happy family. Don't forget that we also have great information over at hisandhermoney.com, and meet us back here next Sunday night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, where you will see the both of us sharing with you.
That's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Until next time.
Let's crush our mortgages.
Peace.
Bye.